Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of you have asked about: LegalZoom's customer service. LegalZoom has positioned itself as a leading online platform for accessible legal solutions, promising to simplify processes that traditionally require an attorney. They offer a wide array of services, from business formation like LLCs and corporations, to personal legal documents such as wills and trusts, and intellectual property protection like trademarks and copyrights. The allure is strong. Fill out some forms online, pay a fraction of what a traditional lawyer might charge, and get your legal documents sorted. Sounds fantastic, right? However, like with any large service provider, the reality of customer experience can be a mixed bag. When you're dealing with something as crucial as legal matters, effective and reliable customer service isn't just a bonus. It's absolutely essential. Imagine you've submitted your LLC formation documents, and weeks go by with no update. Or you have a critical question about a clause in your will, and you can't get a clear answer. These are the moments when customer service truly shines, or, unfortunately, falls flat. We've all been there, trying to reach a human being, endlessly navigating automated phone menus, or waiting days for an email response. When it comes to LegalZoom, a company that facilitates millions of legal actions, the quality of their customer support directly impacts the trust and satisfaction of their vast user base. So, let's explore what users typically experience when seeking help from LegalZoom, how they can get in touch, and what some of the common pitfalls and praises are when it comes to their customer service. First, let's talk about the various ways you can actually reach LegalZoom's customer service. They offer several channels, aiming to cater to different preferences. The most direct method for many is the phone. LegalZoom provides dedicated phone lines for different types of inquiries, including general customer care, sales, and specific issues like canceling orders or subscriptions. Their customer service hours are quite extensive, running from early morning to evening on weekdays, and even offering weekend support, which is a definite plus for busy individuals. This broad availability suggests a commitment to being reachable. Beyond phone calls, LegalZoom also offers live chat options on their website, providing a quick way to get answers to simpler questions or to troubleshoot minor issues without the need to pick up the phone. For more complex issues or those requiring document submission, email support is available. They also have an extensive online help center and FAQ section, which can be incredibly useful for self-service, allowing users to find answers to common questions without needing to contact a representative directly. Their My Account section also allows users to track orders, view payment history, and manage authorized contacts, reducing the need for direct customer service interaction for these routine tasks. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the customer experience itself. Reviews and testimonials regarding LegalZoom's customer service are, to put it mildly, varied. On one hand, many users praise LegalZoom for its convenience and ease of use. They appreciate the streamlined process for creating legal documents and the generally affordable pricing compared to traditional legal avenues. Positive feedback often highlights helpful representatives who were able to resolve issues quickly and efficiently, especially for straightforward inquiries. Some users report feeling well-informed throughout their process, with timely updates and clear instructions. When things go smoothly, LegalZoom can indeed be a fantastic resource, saving time and money. However, a significant portion of feedback points to recurring challenges. One of the most common complaints revolves around the difficulty of reaching a knowledgeable representative, particularly when facing more complex or nuanced legal questions. Users sometimes report long wait times or being bounced between departments, leading to frustration and wasted time. The nature of LegalZoom's service is to provide automated legal document preparation, and while they do offer attorney-assisted plans, the core customer service is generally not equipped to provide legal advice. This can be a source of confusion and dissatisfaction for users who expect more in-depth guidance. Another frequent concern is related to billing and refunds. Instances of unexpected charges, difficulty canceling subscriptions, or issues with processing refunds have been reported. While LegalZoom states a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee for 60 days, actually navigating the refund process can sometimes be less straightforward than advertised. Furthermore, some users have experienced delays in document processing or delivery, leading to anxieties about missed deadlines or incomplete legal actions. The feeling of being left hanging without clear communication can be incredibly stressful when dealing with important legal matters. It's important to understand the scope of LegalZoom's service. They are not a law firm, and their customer service representatives are not licensed attorneys. Their role is primarily to assist with the technical aspects of their platform and the processing of documents. This distinction is crucial for managing expectations. For intricate legal advice or situations requiring nuanced legal interpretation, LegalZoom encourages users to utilize their attorney network or consult with independent legal counsel. While their attorney plans offer a path to legal consultation, the initial layers of customer service are not designed for in-depth legal problem-solving. So, how can you maximize your chances of a positive customer service experience with LegalZoom? Firstly, be clear and concise about your issue. Before contacting them, gather all relevant information, including order numbers, dates, and a clear description of your problem. This will help the representative understand your situation quickly. Secondly, utilize the self-service options whenever possible. The FAQ and Help Center might hold the answer you need, saving you time and effort. If your query is simple, the live chat feature can often provide a faster resolution than a phone call. Thirdly, manage your expectations regarding legal advice. If you require specific legal guidance, consider opting for one of LegalZoom's attorney-assisted plans or be prepared to seek independent legal counsel. Their general customer service is there for administrative and technical support, not legal consultation. Finally, be patient but persistent. If your initial interaction doesn't resolve the issue, don't hesitate to follow up. Document who you spoke with, when, and what was discussed. This record can be invaluable if you need to escalate your concern. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.